We're Cam and Ty, and we've been traveling around the whole West Coast for the past 4 months, full-time in our van Vanellope. Last week's vlog ended with us just making it to the beautiful Lake Mohave. So this week's vlog will be us showing you how we spent our time enjoying this beautiful location. Good morning.
We got to Lake
Mohave.
Mohave. We made it here.
Made it here. The road was a little bit bumpy, a little bit washboardy, but not too bad. Got a little bit shaky, but we've been through worse, you know? So, yeah, we're planning on spending a few days out here. We do have to go into town tomorrow to take care of a few things, but I think we're going to spend a minute out here because we're in a beautiful, beautiful location. Pretty cool. It's not gonna be nice weather. But last night we met some friends. We hung out with them, drank a little bit of wine with them. So it was fun. It was really good socializing and just kicking back with some other people, having different conversations.
Today we'll probably go paddleboard.
Yeah, there's quite a bit of like little islands and coves in this lake, so we're excited to explore around and check it all out.
Shut up, you're scaring me. So we got this new water jug. I thought it'd be a good idea.
It's great to have this much drinking water.
But usually half of it ends up on our floor.
This is the worst it's ever been.
No, remember when it splashed on my face?
Yeah, I mean that was hard, but it wasn't this much.
It's fine.
It's fine, it's just water.
So the guy we just met, or we hung out with last night,
The homie Victor
walks over, hands tie this.
says, "Wake and bake, motherfucker."
They're the best.
Yeah.
So we set up this fly trap because we have a freaking fly problem. But we only got a little moth and he's still alive. And I feel so bad. Ugh. But no flies, of course. Of course. They're just on our waffles.
Today's been quite the day. Just last night we tried starting the van and it wouldn't start. So luckily we had some friends that we had met let us use their battery to get our van started so we could drive back into town and get a new battery. But while we were in town, the van died again. with their battery. So we ended up having to get another new battery.
Oh, and our fridge stopped working
Yeah.
last night as well.
So we think the whole issue was our back battery. Our deep cycle battery wasn't maintaining charged long enough, so everything was sucking power out of our main battery. This is just a theory, but we're gonna see how long our batteries last, I guess. Been a good past few days. We did have the battery issues, but we seem to have figured all those out now. We're just whipping up some food, making a little bit of pasty for kind of early dinner lunch time. There is supposed to be like kind of a storm heading in, so it's a bit windy. You can probably hear it, but this is what it's looking like outside. So we're kind of chilling. We've been chilling in the van.
The last few days, really, we only had one
really solid day.
But the past few days have been
Pretty windy
most of the day, so we've been too scared to go out on the water.
You just don't want to get pushed around, you know?
Yeah, and not be able to come back.
Yeah. That freaks me out.
But still a really nice view.
Yeah. Just kind of figuring out where we're going to go from here, and I'll let you know as soon as we do. Well, after being here for almost 7 days, we have decided that we're gonna head out so that we can go and take a shower, hit a workout, do some laundry, because our laundry bag is getting hella full.
And it's just way too cold.
Yeah, so we've hit a cold front. It's pretty windy still.
Not what we signed up for. We're here to be warm.
Yeah.
So we're gonna find something else.
It's nice wearing some layers, but...
Yeah, but...
And it's not like it's freezing. It's still in the fucking 60s, or 50s, but we just need something just a bit warmer. So we're gonna figure out where that is after we go take a shower and stuff.
So, our current situation right now is we don't know where we're going.
We have an idea.
So, we need to meet my mom.
In about a week in Vegas.
Vegas.
But everywhere north of here is pretty cold. So we don't necessarily want to go up there.
Also that location where we were going to be meeting her at is only an hour away from where we are now.
Hour and a half.
Hour and a half. So we have to make...
Yeah, make this hour and a half drive a 7-day drive.
A 7-day drive. We have to make it last, yeah.
Yeah.
Because we don't want to camp in Vegas.
Yeah, it's not like we're trying to stay around Vegas area, really. So we're just going to take our time on the drive up there, stay around Lake Mead a little bit, I think, and then circle down in.
In the meantime, we're going to dump.
We got showered, we're fresh.
And
yeah,
I guess we'll see. We'll see how this goes.
Get out of there, poop.
Yeah, you tell him.
Yeah, get out of there. Emptying it up. Face of a true champion. Oh, look at that. We've got some free tweezers. Anybody want them? It's 60 degrees and Cam's out here shivering.
It's raining cold.
It's like 60 degrees. This is why we couldn't be in Utah this winter.
I gotta my body moving to keep me warm.
What a weirdo, right, guys? Baked beans and garlic naan for dinner.
In its sketchy ass place.
Yeah, kind of weird spot. We'll show you in the morning.
Pulled up at night, so we don't know
what's going on.
Where we are, yeah, really. But
it works. There's a kid toilet, and yeah. And we got service.
But it's cold, bitch. Look at me.
Woke up like this. We've gotten out of the vehicle to see where we are. This is a trailhead, I tell you.
But like, people
are fully set up.
Yeah.
See how everybody's just fucking, just like, fuck it. Works for me though. It's a nice day, nice cool day, so we just chill. Yeah. Today for late lunch, we are having some vegetables, zucchini and squash, seasoned with a little bit of nutritional yeast, pepper, and seasonal. And then we have some brown rice cooking up right now. Got a little bit of tofu that we soaked in some soy sauce. I think I'm gonna throw some corn and peas in with these here in a second.
Finished results.
Ayo.
Yummy.
It's muy delicioso.
Perfect for a chill day.
Mm-hmm.
Cold day. It's freezing out there. And while watching the 100, we're almost done with it, so if you have any recommendations for what we should watch next.
Don't give us anything, we shouldn't watch it.
True. Good morning.
It was another cold night here, and just outside of Kingman. Not as cold as the night before.
We stayed in the same spot.
Yeah, we had a complete just lazy day yesterday. Sat around and watched Netflix.
Yeah, we just couldn't.
We didn't want to, get ourselves to do anything, so it was nice. We needed it, I think, and we're gonna be productive today. We're gonna knock out some
laundry.
Yeah, laundry, some grocery shopping, and then we're gonna head to probably a place where we can hike and go to some hot springs.
Hopefully.
We'll see where we end up, but gotta knock those two things out first.
In the meantime, we're making tea. But that's how you know we really need to go grocery shopping, because we have no more coffee.
Yeah, we're out of coffee, so we're drinking tea, which is good, but we need that caffeine.
We're addicts. Laundry is done.
Bang.
And so is grocery shopping.
Yeah, we got groceries earlier, so we are stocked, we are ready to go, and we are moving north towards Lake Mead, just a little bit outside Lake Mead, to we're gonna camp at a trailhead that is Arizona Hot Springs. So we're gonna show up tonight, we'll just kick back tonight, and then tomorrow we'll do the hike and hopefully get to go in the hot springs. Pretty excited for that. It'll be nice since it's a bit cooler.
We'll see if hopefully it's open.
Yeah, there's been a few things that have said it might be closed, but we're not for sure, so we'll see.
I guess we'll see.
We made it to the trailhead that we were heading to. Pretty quick drive, and we've already cooked up dinner. We made some potatoes with some crisp bean burritos, kind of like some Taco Time shit.
Not the healthiest.
Not the healthiest, definitely a lot of oil, but It'll be good. Yeah, we're craving it. So it's better than getting fast food, I think.
I agree.
So we're just gonna eat this up, maybe watch a movie, crash, and then we'll hit that hike to go to the hot springs tomorrow. And another one. Oh shit! Got the COVID. We're gonna be making some tea.
Please don't hold it like that. You can't see what's going on. You can't. There's a reason why you turn it like that.
It's fine. You literally just went to an angle over there when I was at an angle over here.
You don't know if that one was right.
It doesn't matter. Oh, very.